Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Calendar tutorial for beginners 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, open up Google Calendar by going to the main calendar page on your browser. Over here, take a moment to get familiar with the layout and choose a view like day, week, or month depending on what works best for you. After that, to add an event, click on the time slot that fits your schedule. Then fill in the details for your event, adjust the time if needed, and add a title to keep things organized. Once you're done, click Save. If you want to create another calendar, on the left side next to Other Calendars, click Add Other Calendars. Choose Create New Calendar, name it, and click Create Calendar. Google Calendar also lets you set up appointment schedules. Over here, click Create in the top left corner, then select Appointment Schedule. After that, fill in the details like title and duration, and once it's set, click on it in the calendar to generate a link you can share with others. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.